One of the most key points in designing a driveway, especially now because it's quite a hot topic, is water management. In designing on such a steep slope, it's extremely difficult to control your water from going onto the highway. But what we have done is created borders all the way around, beautiful planting schemes to bevel some of the water back in to the soils. And behind all the retaining walls, there's this huge perforated 6-inch pipe that goes to a soakaway right at the bottom of the driveway. And even though you can't see all of that detail, it's still imperative